YouTube and Instagram both are content creation platforms, but they both have huge difference between them. Instagram is good for getting visibility faster, and YouTube is good for building long-term authority, audience trust, and stable income. But that does not mean YouTube is perfect and Instagram is not. Both have their own unique features. And if you're confused that which platform should I pick, which one will give me faster views, how people earn from them, and most importantly, which one is better for building a serious career in content creation. Many people completely skip this point, but this one is very important and it will decide if you will get successful or not. So I'm going to compare both platforms for beginners, and we will also see how other creators manage both YouTube and Instagram at the same time. Before moving out ahead, you need to understand this important point. Content creation is not a way to get quick money. Many people think that that creator got famous from that one video and he is earning a lot. That means if I start content creation and post consistently for a few months, then I will also receive the money. But the reality is content creation does not work like that. If anyone says that you can start earning from content creation within few months, then they're only saying this to get views and attention, or they may be trying to sell you a course. And I'm not here to give you any fake hope because I am sharing what I have learned by testing and analyzing different platforms and creators, so I know what works and what does not. So when you're starting content creation, you are not just creating videos. You are learning several skills at the same time. Choosing a topic, writing script, recording, editing, designing thumbnail, creating strong hook, understanding audience retention, reading analytics, and building trust. And this takes a lot of time. And your first few videos can get very few views, and that's completely normal. That does not mean you're bad at content creation. No. At the time, you are just learning how to package your idea and you're still finding the right audience which will see your content. That's why the views are low in the beginning. So on Instagram, people discover new content daily by endless scrolling. So this benefits to the new creator who have just made their account with zero followers. They can get decent views and followers within less time and can build social media presence within 4 to 5 months. But remember this, your results will be dependent upon your niche, your content quality, your book consistency, audience, and your viewer response. Instagram can give you faster feedback for this. But on YouTube, the visibility is low when you are a beginner with zero subscribers. You will get less views initially, and it may take more than 8 to 9 months to see some decent views on it. That's because YouTube takes time to understand who your content is for, which viewer enjoy your videos, whether people click your title and thumbnail, how long people watch, and whether the viewer are coming back to your channel or not. And YouTube recommend their videos from the search, home, suggestion videos, shorts, etc. And YouTube recommends your video on basis of viewers' behavior, their interest, search history, watch history, and subscription. So YouTube do not completely ignore the new creator, but it just takes a little more time. That's why Instagram grows faster compared to the YouTube. But from the perspective of money, Instagram does not pay according to your views. You can get millions of views, but still you will earn nothing from Instagram. Instagram creators usually make money through brand collaboration, sponsored deals, affiliate marketing, product tagging, gifts, subscriptions, selling services, selling digital product, and generating leads through profile links and direct messages. So Instagram views are valuable because they help getting attention faster. You then convert that attention into followers, affiliate sales, customers, brand deals, business leads, etc. And YouTube creators earn from YouTube ads, YouTube premium revenue, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, channel membership, super thanks, YouTube shopping, courses and digital product, and freelancing or consulting. And again, if you ask which platform can make money faster in less time, the answer is Instagram because of the fast views and brand deals. So you may be thinking Instagram is best, views and money both come faster. But if you see this at a deeper level, you will understand that YouTube is stable than Instagram. And let me explain that. As you know, you can only earn from Instagram when brand reach out to you. As you know, the primary source to earning from Instagram is from the brand deals or product selling. But when you have no brands, your income will get stuck. Some months you can make 50,000, but some months you can only make 5,000. So it is not that stable when you're just starting out. And as you have already seen, Meta is just suspending many creators' accounts randomly without any reason. So building on a platform where there is no security, you can lose your account anytime. Then you need to think twice before depending on just one platform. But on YouTube, when you start getting views, which is tough and will take some time, but when you will get monetized after reaching the eligibility criteria, then you will start earning from your videos because YouTube will run ads on it and you will get payment for it. This is consistent. Whenever you reach the $100 limit, YouTube will credit that amount to your bank account. And this will keep going as you keep making content and growing. But as you know, YouTube has changed rate policy. You would need 8,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber to get monetized, and this will start from 1st Feb 2027. I know this is hard. Many people will get scared of it, and many would not even start a YouTube channel because of this. But if you stay dedicated on YouTube with consistency and patience, then you can build a stable career for yourself. And if I'm looking a bit different from the previous clip, it's because this part of the clip got deleted. That's why I'm recording it again, and maybe the clip would be looking a little bit different. And I also got a pimple here, but ignore it and moving on. So if you want to get visibility quickly, the Instagram would be the better platform to start with. It will help you to test different type of content, reach new people, gain followers, and build a small online presence. And if you want to create a long-term creator career, then YouTube is usually the main platform. YouTube can create more diversified and predictable income over the time. But I don't want to give you any fake hope here, so you need to understand this. No platform can guarantee you a stable income. It all depends upon your views and audience engagement. Now, which one you should pick? Look, both require hard work. You need to post consistently with patience no matter whatever social media platform you pick. So if you want to start small and just want to experiment with some little thing, then you can start with Instagram. And when you start getting knowledge about your niche and audience, then you can also publish long form video content on YouTube also. It's completely up to you wherever you want to start with. And it's not necessary to pick only one platform. Now, to grow faster and more stable, many creators use Instagram and then expand their content on YouTube also. And on the other hand, many creators start on YouTube, then also they expand their content on Instagram also. And you have already seen many creators doing this. And let's say you picked one platform and you started posting on it. What majority of the people would do that when they face low views or when nothing is working out for them, which is common and it happens with all the creators when they are starting out, then they will simply quit. They will post for a few months and then leave by saying content creation is hard for me. But on the other hand, if you stayed consistent for a year and kept working without no result, no views at all, then remember after some time, you will grow a small social media presence where people will listen you and follow you. And eventually you will start earning from the opportunities of content creation. And if you are still confused on how to start, or you're feeling like, I don't know anything, what content I will make, it will not look that good, who will watch it, I'm not perfect enough to start yet, then listen. The path will only appear after you start working on it. The clarity will come from your action, not from waiting to be perfect. A creator who publishes consistently will learn faster from a creator who just wait for their video to be perfect enough to upload. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent in learning, improving, and posting. That's it. And also subscribe for more online growth videos, either it's for money, mindset, or anything. Because I keep sharing the real learnings which I have learned from my past years, which will help you a lot in your online or money making journey. And also like if you learn something from this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.